Nigo charagire chinsa ikomi chabono maragobo mwancho mulirira ngwireri bageri gali abene asoko kwaligania Ndizi TV ase emesa ya amaya elinde ngumanye ntare yenyende ko bakago korekana ku rukingongo chansi inye chinse mo chiri cha YouTube na bagotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV news na bago chinse mo chiri cha website na bagotonyara gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke Eritariane Frida Kerubo ne chinse mo chibiro kalio nigo tokonya kwa to kubaterana nere Joshua Autangwira nanda sege kegeke ngomanye nare ina kwaliganirio. Mwancho mulirere gingo chaka kigima ni ngo chakera county ya Kisii awasengo kumanyibona enyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital bakubwaterana na Amref na boigo eserikali ya county ya Kisii nigo banyara kwa bagosiolyo bene umurobile wechi clinic kirachi kutumeka ase okwena na echanjo ya corona gochia ase abamenyi be county yo ukwana imenyagitari ya KTRH umunyagitari omonene umanyikate na Dr. Ongware nigo abasaba abantu gwesokya asobunge linda kwane kibanyara kwa bagweta tanga nebinyenye byo borwere bw'inyama hani gago chamagaga yebinyenye biko kororokana ase ekerengo kigoro mono.
Here today to flag off the mobile clinic that has been availed to us by the Ministry of Health in conjunction with AstraZeneca and Amref Kenya. It will be in the county for 10 days, moving to markets, schools, churches, and availing vaccines to our people. We want to remind people that COVID is still here with us. Kisii County so far, we have had 3,500 cases and they are still rising. We have had about 242 deaths and they are still rising. We encourage people to get vaccinated because that is the only way we are going to end or stop COVID. Our target as a county is about 732,000 people above 12 years. So far, we have been able to vaccinate, fully vaccinate about 210,000.
Ngotigana nayo mwancho mulirere na gusika mutuni gongo komanyibona oyo kolya ekirogo kyobujumbe imeyebunge ya Kitutu Chache South oyo manyakanta na Samuel Omwando nigo bono anyare ko bakako tukutera ale engana buna county ya Kisii gosoro gongo rwa gusini goro manyikaine ase ogotwara chiburaburu anena mono chinga kechiga chi campaign na boigo liberali ya siasa anyare ko alikwane kigwa ase NCH ya Kenya nigatebire buna orogongo rwa gusibo tambe nigoro bwate omolembe na tabago chikoene kigoseti bago chikogania umulembe goturubanirwa anene mono chinga kechiga toligereti obochorya bonene boigo niganyare ko bagako basaba abamenyi be county ya Kisii korandia umulembe chinga kichansi anene mono ase chi campaign
igo manyeta bagusibu n'abantu bari peaceful 27-28 ekero chiburaburu chiabete Kisii was very peaceful. Abantu bari gosumbuana isigari se bari goja lunch naende barara buya ryo manarita yongusi naende abantu mbato class 5 nanto kabwate buraburu bataratuoro kimpetas bataratuoro kiebinto bikuoro kinganto chiko babe buraburu tinyege ne tinge buraburu nchenero egoro no nyendiri nigo narenge meya ama tukari ngakiria buraburu awose meya in Kisii naende go tuarenge very peaceful. I was waking up in the morning na around peace in all radio stations. Now I go wake up in the morning, now display peace. Now I encourage abantu baito ko house abantu bali baseri kuba bagacha nyumba cyabo na kubachi indagera na kubachi yanga. Igonta gete kuba the Kisii was very peaceful then, it is peaceful now, it will be peaceful again.
Oyo koronera ekirogo kyobujumbe imeyebunge ya West Mugirango yumanyikante na David Arasa nigo abaganiri abamenyi benseme yo korandia omulembe chinga kechiga chechi campaign boigo niganyare ko bagakwerera narei arachiko ikerani kiaranyare ko bakagoso ase obugambi gokwana imeye kenyorogose imeye chinsema chia Kenya bao nigo anyare ko bakagote abuna nachikone ki onyare ko bakakoleta obunjereri ase chinsema chiri chyobolemi na boigo kwagacha chi industry na yande amange
Tane nkorokwa oirere David Arasa yoteneine ase kirokyo bochumbe kya West Mugirango ase engaki ega oyo kwa bowling utokora siasa tiatokora siasa ase njirere nyororo totiga gusarania marieta torigi siasa toni chisera cheito ase abanto baito ando ase togoeta ekiagera siasa neyo engaki enke yekoera itarigi kiana bana tokora gukora tora magana siasa na inde toira no bugima bwaitu
nigo bono obeire omoichano monene magega y'omusacha oyo mokumuita mu murumu abo ase ng'encho y'edeni y'echishiringi 50 ani gagocha magega y'okonywa na okonywa ebinyugo by'ogotindi abo ase banyarta kwa bakobwaterana ne kazi niya na kumuita goika ogokwa abanyanyimbo nigo banyara kwa bagoikerana chinseme echo chawe buye na kubabeka babera abo biara.
Mimi ni Gehonga Banda Charles nikiwa SCC na Marambi. Leo hii asubuhi mwendo wa saa 12 tumeamkia jambo la kushtikisha hivi kwamba kuna mmoja katika wakaji wa sehemu hii ya Marinda ambaye ameuawa kwa jina Nixon Matimbai, na ni sikitiko kubwa sana kuona kwamba jambo kama hili linafanyika katika jamii, na la ajabu ni kwamba huyu marehemu ameweza kuuawa na jamaa wa familia yake. Kwa hivyo letu tu ni kuuliza jamii na wanakijiji na wananchi wote wa sehemu hii waweze kutulia, ili polisi ambao tumekuwa na wao wameanza kazi ya kufuatilia na ili wapate kufanya uchunguzi na kuhakikisha kwamba wale wote ambao wamehusika na jambo hili wamechukuliwa hatua kupelekwa kotini na ufunguliwa mashtaka kwa jambo hili ambalo ni la kushikisha. Asanteni sana.
Magega y'ekiombegete nenete obochori nabo igochimbebe IEBC gosoki amalieta ya abarwanereri wano nigo oyokoranire kiro kyo gavana ime county ya Mombasa Mbuvi Mike Songo lieta lya nyare ko bali gotigu isiko nigatebire buna abali ba komusira bagendere komusira ekiagera nachi goikabo sibuke gambero litukolia ejuma abo asara chikombanya obone gosenale asetebe gosetayo oigo oyokoranira ekiro kyo gavana ime county ya Nairobi yomanyakante na Johnson Sakaja nigobeire omogoko monene asare ekiagera elieta lya endenya takobaliko beku na boigo nigarachi gosoa asetebe
si Sonko kila saa siasa si Sonko, hata hawa ni viongozi wanaweza ongoza Mombasa. Tulikuwa tumeongea mambo ya hiyo plan B. Kwa hivyo mimi vile chama itasema, mimi sina pingamizi, wananchi ndio wanaamua. Kwa hivyo hiyo isilete mburugano kati yangu na ndugu yangu Bogo. Tunafanya kazi pamoja na tutaendelea kufanya kazi pamoja, na mambo bado iko kotini. Tunaachia uamuzi ya mahakama. Mahakama ikitutupa nje, basi tutafanya nini? But tutapigana mpaka mwisho, tunaelewa sheria. Tutapigana mpaka mwisho.
Those are normal and we're used to them. I've seen today the IBC has presented their gazette notice of the candidates. There are those who are hoping very much that my name will not be there. It is there. Our matter is still in court for determination, and that will be done on Tuesday. The other matters that have come, that will be consolidated. But as we've said from the beginning, we remain confident that the will of the people shall be the determining factor in this election, and we are grateful to all those who remain to support us, and we continue keeping our eyes on the ball.
Ekiombegea NCIC gekobwaterana na Standard Group nigo batarira chinsemo chia Kisumu asengencho yokorandia omorembe chingaki chigatorigereti obochori bonene gukwana imeye chinsemo cyo nigo banyara kwa bagosiole omoroberio omenyekanite buna penda jirani abwase bateba buna nigo barachikoene kibanyere kwa bagotarira chi county chonsi emerongene na isano na ibere linda kwane kikira oyomo onyarira kwa bagakonyora obosemia nabo igokweyaligania asobochori bonene obogocha.
When we as NCIC decide to form an MOU with the Standard Group, we decided that alongside the launch of the roadmap to elections without violence in August, we need to go down to the grassroots and talk to wananchi openly and engage with them very much like, politicians engage with them on the grassroots. But the guys who are preaching peace totally, ourselves and the Standard Group in this particular case, have not had a chance. People were just talk from the radios, from the TV stations, but this time round we have launched this massive program which will go to all the areas of Kenya. Here we are in Kisumu County, we shall go to Kericho, we shall go to Nakuru, we shall move on to other places, Nairobi area, Isiolo, all the way to the coast, Mombasa, Kilifi, and so on. So there's no area until we go to Meru, even to northeastern. Basically, is to talk to wananchi and sell to them the idea of peaceful coexistence, inclusivity, recognizing diversity, and knowing that we are one people, we are one country, we are one destiny in Kenya.
Siasa imeye kaunti ya Kilifi nigo chagendere kubwata inse abo ase ekiama giapa kenyere kwa bagiye kubasaba abamenye bensemeyo kubasira anene mono chinga kichiga chichi campaign oigo nigo banyere kwa baba kumwakera ekoko oyo kuronera ekero kyobo governor oyo manyekante na Cyrus Jirongo erinde achigokora omuchando boboremi bonyare kwa baba kwenekigwa ase chinsemecho.
Tumemtaraza, tukambariki, tukamwombea dua ya kikaya. Kwa hivyo unaona mambo yote tushamaliza yake. Tumshauri sisi, tumemshauri kwamba vile tunavyotaka hapa ni umoja wa wapwani. Maana tunaona imezorota. Ni kwa nini? Na tumeona kwamba hakuna mwingine ambaye anaweza kutusaidia hii pwani yetu isipokuwa ni George Kiti.
Kwa hivyo umenishauri kwamba ni lazima nisimame kidete kuhakikisha kwamba watu wa pwani kwanza wanapata haki zao, pili hasa haki za mashamba. Wazee wa Kaya wamekuwa sana katika mstari wa mbele kwa kupigania mashamba ya pwani. Kwa hivyo umenishauri kwa sababu ya tajriba ya uwakili ya kwamba wanategemea ukubwa sana upande wangu kwamba nipiganie na janga hasa la tatizo la ardhi hapa pwani kuhakikisha kwamba haki za mpwani hazidhulumiki upande huo.
Oyo koligia ekero kyobo governor eme county ya Kakamega gwetera ekiama gya UDP niganyariye ko bakaguyakira ekoko ase chinsemecho rindo kweneki obubui ase obocholi obonene bolebosyo niko boigo anyare ko bakako basaba abamenyi bensemeyo ochora abarai babwate chimbwa chindonge na boigo amaroro bali barachikonyara kwa bakoleta amagenderero ase chinsemo ao.
Iko njama ya kukandamiza viongozi wa eneo hili. Yaani kiongozi akionekana anaweza fika mahali atafute utawala wa nchi hii, lazima spana zingine ziwekwe. Hatutaki kiongozi yoyote kutoka kwa jamii yetu kujipendekeza kwa jirani kwa kututusi, kujipendekeza kwa jirani, kuambia jirani wewe ukisema kwa Waluya imefanyika kama sisi hatukuzaliwa. Ati Raila akisema kwa Waluya imefanyika.
Oyo koligia ekirogo kyoborai bense gwetera obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza Alliance Muske William Ruto niganyarire ko bagakorera buna nabwate okwege nabuna nachikweneki onyere ko bagakoba umurai ogatano bwensetu ya Kenya kokwa na chinsemo chiri cha Bungoma niganyarire ko bakagotuguterale orobotiro onyere ko barogosoka bwangoiga ororokoro kibuna Raila Odinga nere otangaine ase obochori.
Tumewashinda na manifesto, tumewashinda na mpango, tumewashinda na sera, tumewashinda na campaign. Ati wamebaki na mambo mawili. Wamebaki na fake opinion poll. Kazi yao ni kwenda kuchora opinion poll. Wao sijui nani yako mbele, sijui nani yako mbele. Waacha kutusumbua na opinion poll. Wananchi wa Kenya wako tayari kuamua tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8. Ama ni aje? Si nyinyi ndio mtaamua? Kwani wale wanafanya opinion poll kwa boardroom ndio wataamua? Na tumesema agenda yetu namba 1 ni kupunguza gharama ya maisha Kenya hii.
Ekiumbege tenenete obachari ne chimbebe IEBC nigo gyatwara litkolya rero egeikaro na babwatani bande imeyake ICC ase ogokwanera buna banyare kwa bakwerobelia anene mono ase obachari bonene buli bosyo okwana ase chinsemejo nigo banyara kwa bagoteba mbachikuligiria amaboli anyare kwa bagakoboliwa anene mono ase okoleto kwa masakara ya gwakachikura ayo nyara kwa bakagokoleka na bwangoiga wego niga bata buna mbachikobeka emerobelio era chikobwati kwa chinga kichobo chari obonene.
elective positions. So out of 16,098, only 1,882 will have the positions, will win the positions. And so that is where we are. As a commission, I think the Honorable Chief Justice, through Justice, the late Justice Njogidung, has confirmed that the judiciary will fast track the cases, nomination disputes. Please do so, for we are running behind schedule in printing of ballot papers, and actually by this week we should have finished all the printing. We shall only be remaining with the presidential candidates ballot papers, and so please try and finalize these cases in the course of this week.
Omwancho murigerera korwa ase orobotero niona keire omwelewa amaya chinsa 10 ase nchira yobwenye korende gikoraga ensa eyama ya margoba ayona mange no chikoyanyara ase nchira yobwekiranu tonya kwato kubwaterana nere Joshua Auta ase chinse mochi byorokera namaga chikamera nabo igokweneki ebichana boigelio gira gwikira sore ase nchira enganskeru kegima no musubati Petronira mukere eri tariane Frida Kerubo ngokoganiria omogoroba umuya.